photos of like Kate Bosworth and you've seen like a gorgeous like blushy red carpet look and you want to know how to do that, well, stay tuned. I'm showing you an entire face using every color of the e.l.f. putty blushes. I'm gonna start with the Ride or Die Balm. This color is Grapefruit Goals. A little skin prep with the e.l.f. Energizing Citrus Oil Spray. There are 3 different primers, putty primers, and they're so cute and tiny. This one's the Luminous Putty Primer. See a little bit of like maybe mica or shimmer. Oh, that's actually very nice. I've used the Poreless Putty Primer on Talent before, but I've never used it on my actual skin. This luminous one, it feels really good. And then I'm gonna go in with my regular Kosas skin tint. I already did my eyebrows. I did a faux lamination using Elmer's glue, and you can see how I did my brows like this in my last tutorial right here. Clicky clicky. Go in with number 6 Revealer Concealer by Kosas, just on my little spots. An e.l.f. Blending Perfector. This is like one of my favorite brushes they've ever sent me. And then I'm going to do a little highlight concealer with Kosas number 4 Revealer Concealer. That honestly might even be a little too much. I really don't need much of this dwarf. So for an eyeshadow primer, I am actually going to use one of these No Budge shadow sticks. And I'm going to use the color Champagne because I think it'd put a nice like luminous effect under all of this putty blush I'm going to put on my eyes. Oh, this is quite nice. This is very beautiful. That is gorgeous, honestly, just by itself like that. I like to layer shadow sticks with like normal eyeshadows. This is so pretty. I'm gonna continue up here to like highlight. So already I am a massive fan of this. MAC 217. Copper Chic No Budge shadow stick under my eye. Okay, I already like this color. I'll do one side first. I'm gonna blend out with my Luxie mini tapered brush. I'm gonna move on to using the Putty Primer Applicator. I like so much how this has a little paddle at the end, like spatula scraper, so you can get in and like be sanitary. And I probably will buy like 5 million of these for my makeup kit because as pro makeup artists, we're always scraping things out, or hopefully if you're clean. Putty primer, okay. This is Bali. And I'm just gonna dip right in with a little brush. See how pigmented it is. It's a really, really, really pretty texture. Use it as a contour. It's gonna be a little reddish, but this whole look is gonna be very editorial. Okay, so this is like stunning, honestly. Again, this color is Bali. And I'm just swirling with the Putty Primer brush. It's giving me a really smooth application. So I'm just using Bali as an all-over blushy contour. And then I'm always going in on the hairline. Having a little brush like this can be so multifunctional. You can use it for your foundation, and then bronze like this, and then It's also really easy to blend out. I'm going to just blend a little bit with my foundation brush. I'm just putting it on a fluffy, the MAC 217 brush. And this will absolutely be like an editorial feel. And then I'm gonna take my favorite Luxie mini round brush and like go under my eye here, carving out more definition. The next color is Bahamas, and I feel like, oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna use it as like an all over color on my lid. Just gonna go in with my brush again. You know what, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Let's just try it with the brush. That's so pretty. So this does have a really nice, like, natural sheen to it as well, this product. Put a little on my nose. Oh, that's a lot. I'm going to put Caribbean on my eyes because I think that that would be fun. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that. I can use this as like a base to a really pretty cranberry eye. Turks and Caicos. I'm gonna use the same brush. So that's blended over Caribbean. It's a pretty subtle color. Let's use the spatula. It's also cool to use these on the eyes because it gives like a really beautiful sheen because it's like that cream formula. This one is Tahiti. I'm gonna go in and sculpt here. I'm gonna like carry it into my eyes. Then we have Fiji. I'm gonna try this just on my lips, so I'm gonna wipe off. I think I put Tahiti on my lips. Try this beautiful red on my cheeks. So pretty. This is a Luxie 522 tapered highlighter, but I'm just gonna use it to blend. I love it. Super pretty red color. Let's try it on the lips. Gorge! I'm obsessed with this. This color is Fiji. It's a Bora Bora color. It's like a candy pink, super pretty. I'm gonna put it under my eyes actually. See how that plays out. I'm gonna go in with this brush. This reminds me of when Doja Cat did her e-girl look. Shout out to whatever this color is. I don't know what it is because they didn't put labels for the colors. I'm gonna take Bali again and go over this contour that I did a little bit. I don't remember what this one is. I'll have to look it up later. It's the darkest one all over my lid, and I'm just gonna go and touch up like what is on my lid. This one I know is Fiji. Haven't used it yet. Super dark. So I'm gonna use that under my eyes. Fiji. If you are gonna use these on your eyes, just don't think that they're gonna like last all day. This is just like a fun little experiment. We want to swatch this gorgeous orange balm. Just wipe off everything that I did. Start with a fresh canvas. Is PSL. Oh my god, it's pumpkin spice latte. Incredible. Really pretty, natural kind of like nudie orange color. And on top, just because we did like a little swatch of that, I'm going to do this last one that's in the box. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna wait for that to... Smells really good. I just really love how juicy it makes my lips look. Like I'm not wearing liner or lipstick or anything. Now I'm going to pack on some mascara. This is the Lash It Loud mascara. It's only $6. And I'm gonna give it a whirl. Looks like a good brush. It's really buildable so far. Also like that. Honestly, it's kind of like the Glossier mascara. I forget what it's called. The Glossier Lash Slick. If you would try this editorial look, just let me know, and smash follow my Instagram if you ever do any looks inspired by me, my tutorials. I would love, 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 love to see them. Post them in your stories. Well, see you next time, and I will glam you next time. Soft glam. Goodbye.